Just want to see how. How are you? It's Carol. So I got called for a second mammogram. I don't know what they saw, but I have to go in. It's going to take an hour. I don't know what kind of test it's going to be, but I'm going there this week. So I'll be able to let you know soon how that turned out. I'm sure it's fine. Also, I am wearing this polish by colorclub. It's called WHAM Pow. And I am wearing I'm wearing Sweet Cream Matte by Jordana, which is amazing. Amazing. I want to get the other colors. It goes on. It's like paint. It's like it doesn't leave your lips. And it just looks so nice. It's just a nice matte. And if you put it on nice and even, it just looks like perfection. And this one is Twisted Tangerine. And on top of that, in the center, I put Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in, I think it's Orange Shot. I just like that brightness right there. This one stays on forever, but this, you have to put on a thin coat. Oh, also, see my jewelry? I have on my diamonds, but I bought these resin rings, but I could put them intertwined with my diamond bands and make like a pretty ring. So it looks like something goes, you know, your lips, your nails, your rings. That's what I like to do. Just have something go with the bright color on me. Now, I also have this on, which I love. And these are in my Etsy store. And they are COIL key wraps. And I put a charm and a little teddy bear. Now this I made myself. I cut it out. I bought all different size cutters. I cut it out. That's from a real bag. And I glue it on there, this beautiful rose gold with this copper color. And then I put a lobster claw in case you want to add your key. Now, if I want to just wear that one today, I would take this off, because this is what I do. I just switch them. I would take this off, and then I would just attach it there in case I want to wear it as the bracelet of the day. What I'm doing is I'm making some of these with these beautiful charms and a little other charm with it, like a little animal or something. Isn't that cute? I'm just creating the ordinary and making it a little special. They're really cute. There I'm just working on 4 bracelets. The charms are really unique. Last video I showed you my organization of my calendar, my book at a glance. But I also want to tell you that if you have an iPhone, this is the greatest thing. My son showed me this too. Okay, this is what you do. You just lift your phone up. Hey Siri. And Siri pops up. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay. All right. So what you do is you say, "Hey Siri."
Uh-huh.
Do you hear him? Do you hear him? He said, "Uh-huh." I have an Australian guy, and I have it to go on when I say, "Hey Siri." And I lift it up. You have to lift it up and say, "Hey Siri." And you could do all these in your settings. And these are your settings over here. That's your little setting square. It is so funny. So I could tell him, "Hey Siri, timer, 1 minute."
1 minute, starting now.
Thank you. Okay, so while we're talking, you will see that he is going to set an alarm for me. I hope so. Also, let's see. I want to show you something that I did in my kitchen. I did empty out all my spices, and they were just such a mess and hard to find. And I put them in all these containers. Let me show you the before and after. So there's my pile of spices, which we all have. I buy my spices at the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I don't think you need to pay any more than $1 for a bottle. I think it's the best price in town. So they were just in my closet in a tray that spins around in a circle. Actually, it's called a Lazy Susan. So there they are. I took them out of the closet, and those are the jars that they're going in. Comes with a big box. So I have them all laid out on the counter, and they come with labels and covers and stickers for the top. So there are the stickers and the labels, and I started putting them on. And aren't they the cutest? Oh, I think they're so cute. It just looks so appealing and organized and neat. And oh, I just love them. And they really are easier to use this way. Okay, so now I am going to put them on the side of my fridge, right there. These acrylic shelves I got on Amazon. They just have a keyhole behind it, 2 keyholes. And of course you can't screw them into the refrigerator side. So what I did was I screwed on magnets, and I'll put those down below for you also. It was a perfect solution, and they just look great, and I could find everything, and it just makes me happy. You gotta do what makes you happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video, my little organization in the kitchen. And I hope you have a great day, a wonderful week. And remember, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.